How to set the screensaver to colors on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down and then tap on screensavers at the bottom. Now in here, select colors, and when you are charging your phone, so you need to plug your phone into a charger, you can tap on the preview button and see what it looks like. So screensavers only activated when you are charging your phone, and this is what it looks like when you set your screensaver to colors. So the color will changes automatically, and that's it. After you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.